Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. I want to show you Tetley tea. This is Tetley original, full flavor, vibrant and refreshing tea. This is 120 tea bags. Okay, so there is 120 tea bags inside. I want to show you how to make your tea. Okay, so just need to put hot water. I'm gonna open this up. And see what it looks like. So take one tea bag, put it in the cup. Okay, so while we wait for hot water to boil, so I normally put my tea in the container just to keep it fresh and nice. Tea is very good for the body. Okay, so pretty much the water is ready. Okay, so now just in the water so you can see it. Pour a bit of water inside and allow it to brew. Okay, so make sure it's inside it properly, so allow it time to brew. Okay, like I said earlier, tea is very good for the body. Tea contains antioxidants, and oxidants work to prevent the body version of rust, and thus help to keep us young and protect us from damage from pollution. Tea also contains less caffeine than coffee. Okay, tea may reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke. So a recent study found nearly 20% reduction in risk of heart attack and 35% reduced risk of stroke among those who drank 1 to 3 cups of tea, 3 cups of green tea on daily basis. Okay, tea may help with weight loss. Tea may help protect your bone. Okay, drinking tea may keep your smile bright. Tea may boost immune system. Studies have shown that tea can tune up immune cells so they reach their targets quicker. Tea may help battle cancer, and herbal tea in particular is also good for digestive system. Pure tea is calorie free. So the next we need to do is put tiny bit of milk. You can drink tea. Just blank one. You can also put a bit of tiny bit of milk. Okay, just to keep it going. Okay, you can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Some people may like to leave the bag inside, but I like to take the bag off. You can see what it looks like. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think. Are you a tea drinker? Are you a big fan like myself? Say, are you a big fan? Fancy trying a new brew? give Tetley smooth tasting Tetley green tea a go. It boasts with natural fineness. Or pour a cup of decaf for all the taste, original Tetley, but with none of the caffeine. So blended it till it is lovely. It got to end the right to be called Tetley. That is why they have spent more than 180 years crafting the perfect cuppa. So this company, they are reputable, and they've been in this game for a long time, since 1837, you can see. So let me know what you think, and just gonna drink a little bit. Nice. This is brilliant stuff. Full flavor, vibrant and refreshing, and it's beautiful. So this one, we put it in the container to refresh it up, okay, for easy access. Basically, do you leave your tea in the bag all the time, or do you have container for it? I like to have it in the container, just for easy access. And see, just open it up this way, and okay, open it up. Let's see what the tea. It's beautiful, nice, brilliant color. Do you like to drink black tea or white one with a bit of milk? What do you think? This tea is very nice, from a reputable company, you can see. So there are good stuff for drinking tea. Okay, so good stuff for drinking tea. See, this one says 10 evidence-based benefits, okay, of black tea also. So you can drink it black. Black tea is rich in antioxidant and may provide health benefits, including improve heart, gut health, reduce risk of certain diseases. Okay, so drinking black tea also has antioxidant properties, and may boost heart health, the sentinel, okay, may lower bad LED cholesterol, okay. LDL is one is low density in lipoprotein, okay, and also may improve gut health. Okay, so okay, and also black tea may help reduce blood pressure. So black tea may also reduce the risk of stroke. I think it's the same thing with tea properties, so having it black or putting milk on it, so it really depends on your preference. It's also may lower your blood sugar level. So drinking tea may also reduce the risk of cancer. Okay, so I'm just reading this out for you to know. It may improve focus. So black tea contains caffeine and an amino acid called L-theanine that can improve alertness and focus. So drinking tea can increase your alertness and focus. So guys, let me know what you think. This is I like to drink this in the morning, just before anything else. Okay, so this is the Tetley tea. I'm going to put up a link how you can get this. Order it from amazon.co.uk. You can get it from many superstore here. You can get it from Tesco, Lidl, Aldi. Okay, all right, thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.